Unlock the power of seamless communication and automation by connecting Aisensy to GoHighLevel. Let's dive right in. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the Settings section, typically found at the bottom of the left-hand menu. Within Settings, click on the Integrations tab. This is where you'll manage connections with other platforms. Look for the Aisensy integration option. If it's not immediately visible, use the search bar to find it quickly, then click the Connect button. Now, switch over to your Aisensy account. Head over to your profile settings. Here you'll find your unique API key. Copy the entire key. Return to GoHighLevel. A pop-up window will appear asking you to paste your Aisensy API key. Paste it in the provided field. Click Save or Connect. If successful, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that Aisensy is now successfully integrated with your GoHighLevel account. Finally, test the integration by setting up a simple workflow in GoHighLevel using an Aisensy action. This will confirm that the connection is working as expected. It's that simple.